Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at a little bit of circuit training in the internal side of Taijiball. So I hope you enjoy this. This is quite important and extremely helpful for building up the Gong. First, what I'm doing is establishing the feeling of the ball and doing a little bit of Taijiball breathing. You can see I'm squeezing, pressing inward, and opening, pulling outward. On the squeezing, pressing inward, you exhale, and as you expand, pull outward, you inhale. So remember that with Taijiball breathing, you want to use the Taiji hand form, in which the thumb is slightly in, pinky slightly back. Next thing I'm going to do is sync my weight. Start the internal ball, moving the external ball. So I'm going back to the basics, just revisiting the basics so that I build structurally sound in terms of basics. So I'm moving the internal ball, letting the internal ball move the external ball. Remember, the internal ball is in the dantian. I don't forget my rooting. I'm still connected to the feet, trying to initiate the movement from the feet. So when I go forward, I feel the heel connected. When I move backward, I feel the front foot connected. Right here, I feel the heel connected and the back foot. Here, I feel the front foot connected. Also incorporating the spine wave. So many things going on. Spine wave here. Moving to the other side. And remember, in the transition, when you move from one side to the other, you do that when the ball comes in. When the ball comes in is when you can change directions. So same thing, establishing my basics. And I'm trying to release any unneeded tension in the elbows or the wrists, even the shoulders, fingers as well. Right? And that's the thing, is you still have to hold the structure. You still have to hold the ball. But yet, you're trying to completely relax. And this helps get you to feeling on the cellular level in the connective tissues, which then bridges you to the energy side. Okay, now this is very important. We've talked about resistance before. Now here you'll see me carry quite a heavy piece. This is about 20 pounds. This is a 20-pound metal plate. And all I'm doing is trying to push it out, hold it out, and pull it back. So this is exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. So I'm turning on the dam, if you will, turning on the water and building a dam. So really turning on the water in terms of energy output. And that's what this plate is making me do, produce a lot of energy. Right? Because I want to stay out of the physical. I want to stay out of the physical tissues. I want to keep it internal. I want to keep it Gong. So the abdominal engagement is crucial. I should be wearing a sash. I should be wearing a belt, actually. And we'll go through that in the future. Now I release the dam. And now I let all of the water free, let it go. And now it's flowing down the arms, flowing down the chest, or the shoulders rather, the elbows, hands. And I'm gathering in the hands. And that's why my hands are curved in front of me like that, instead of just completely relaxed. Now I have all of that water, all of that energy I'm carrying. And now I'm doing my Taijiball, and you can see now my hand form is different. My arm form is different. And basically what it is the wrist position. If you rewind to the previous Taijiball circles, you'll see that my hand position was such that the ball was in the hands. The wrist position was such that the ball was in the hands, and the wrist was slightly, the wrists, both of them, were slightly closed in on one another. Now the wrists are open, the wrists are pushing out, if you will, and that's allowing me to feel the ball going all the way up the elbows and up the shoulders into the chest. So essentially my arms are in Pong, if you know Pong, 2 half moon from the top view. And now I'm just feeling that, working with that, continuing to reinforce the basics, staying rooted, moving from the internal ball and incorporating the spine wave. That's all body structure. Remember, regulate the body first, and then incorporating the breath, the breathing. Coming back, getting ready to close. Again, doing Taijiball breathing. Squeezing, exhale. Opening, inhale. And now, what I would recommend is to get that plate and do it again. And so this is about 3-4 minutes. If you did this, 3 times, this loop 3 times, then you'd have a good session. So I hope that helps you all. Hope it gives you an idea. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Let me know. Now you're adding resistance and Qigong. So Neigong and Qigong. So next time we'll do something with the sash. Okay, so not quite done, I guess. Doing a little bit of the Taijiball rotation. And I'm just continuing to play with the feeling of the ball. All right. So if you were doing a circuit, you'd probably want to skip that part, because all I'm doing is playing with the ball. So you go back to Taijiball breathing, and then grabbing the plate. Go back to grabbing the plate, and then you release the plate. All right, take care.